Downpour of rain to start the work week this morning. It's not going to be like this all day, but we are have to deal with some rain here for the next couple of hours. Right now, as we look live outside, here's our Lewiston auto camera from the studio in Northwest Rochester. Wet pavement, wet camera lens. We have another couple of hours of this going on, and a lot of lightning. Perhaps you are awakened by the thunder, and certainly more of that to head our way for the next couple of hours. Big batch of activity, a lot of lightning, a lot of thunder, but not severe weather. Some downpours of rain, and that's a good thing. Much needed rainfall here. We're going to try to make a nice dent in that rainfall deficit that is now standing at more than 2 inches for this month alone and almost 3 inches for the entire season. And we only have a few hours left in the stretch of meteorological summer. This is the last day of the month, the last day of meteorological summer. Try to make up some of the ground we've lost in the last 2 weeks, but showers pushing through. Broader view of that will definitely show that we have more widely scattered activity for the next couple of hours after this big batch of rain moves through Rochester. Last evening, we had a couple of very spotty light showers, also some crepuscular rays, whole fingers of light breaking through the clouds last evening. This is the picture from one of our viewers nearby in Lewiston. Kim sent to the picture some scattered clouds, some light, and nice end of the weekend. Beautiful weekend overall. 2.15 the deficit so far this month for the season, approaching 3 inches. We are below normal. Not going to get all that in one day, but I think this morning we could certainly in a couple of spots pick up ½ inch, maybe 3/4 of an inch in some of the heavier downpours. That'd be kind of nice to do. 62 the temperature, 2.56. Air pressure is falling here in Rochester. Temperatures mainly seasonably warm, considering that we would be typically closer to 50 than 60 to start the day, but that's where we are right now. 62 in Rochester, 61 in Northwood, and Rushford now 60 degrees. Showers and thunderstorms rumbling through the area. More activity coming in from the southwest. All of this lining up with that cold front that will come in. So this big batch of activity, we may get a lull here for a couple of hours after about 7 o'clock, but until 10, that threat of rain is nearby. Once that front moves through, a sharp drop-off in cloud cover and rain chances. High pressure will come in, bring us a very dry, breezy, comfortable afternoon, though. Overall, looking at temperatures maybe late September-like with some low 70s headed our way. So a batch of cool, dry air. Showers this morning, another batch of heavier rainfall possible around 8 o'clock or so on future track. But as that front moves through, 10, 11 o'clock, we're pretty much rain-free. Then sunshine dominates the afternoon. Morning showers, then some sun today. Warm up for the midweek. We may even touch 80 degrees a couple of times this week. Certainly, I think Wednesday, one of the warmest of the week. And then the weekend itself looking mild with one rain chance. That looks to be for a portion of Sunday, but most of the holiday weekend looks pleasant, and we'll get hopefully a decent amount of much-needed rain ahead of that. 61 for that morning commute. Showers, thunderstorms, gray skies, at least for a time. Behind this cold front, we do have some cooler air coming in from the west. 50s, and of course that signifies a drier, cooler air mass, so we'll have 50s in the morning for some spots, and then make our way to around 71, 72 this afternoon with abundant sunshine headed our way. Winds picking up out of the northwest by midday hours around 15 to 20 miles per hour as that front moves through. 72 the high, dropping from there to around 50 tonight. So definitely a cooler stretch of weather here for the overnight hours anyway. There's that front moving through and future track. High pressure comes in for the afternoon. Abundant sunshine, clear skies, light winds. Temperatures tonight right around 50. And tomorrow, a lot of sun, but also a few fair weather clouds. We'll have a couple of spotty showers behind that high pressure in the early afternoon. Little disturbance kind of grazes the area, mainly south and east of Rochester, and just for a couple of hours. And then rain chances otherwise stay north of us through Wednesday with a breezier south wind, and that'll help warm things to low 80s there. A few spotty showers Thursday with a cold front, and maybe a brief shower on Sunday again as well. Temperatures, aside from those 2 warm days, very mild and mid-September-like with low in mid-70s, pretty common in the upcoming week. 77 would be the typical high. Morning showers, then sunny, breezy weather this afternoon. 72 in Rochester, 72 in Charles City, with again those winds turning to the northwest. At times 20 miles per hour. 50 degrees tonight, mainly clear skies, a low of right around 50. Again, that's several degrees below the seasonal average. 7-day forecast again, 70s, and just a couple of shots at 80, and some spotty showers here and there. Today, by far, I think the wettest day of the week, with those other rain chances looking very sparse.
Yeah, not a lot of rain chances this week. Looking pretty clear outside for the most part.
A lot of, the holiday weekend though, you can't complain about 70s and sunshine. It looks pretty good.